Welcome to our Trojan label T3-OPX tutorial on how to install and open Variegator. First, ensure your system meets these requirements. Installation. Insert the Xitron Navigator installation DVD. When prompted, click the Variable Data tab, click the Install Variegator button, click Next to continue. Select the desired installation path or leave the default path. If you want multiple users on the PC to be able to use Variegator, select Everyone. Click Next to continue. Click Next to confirm installation. You'll receive a message when the installation is complete. Click the Close button and exit the Setup wizard. Before you launch the Variegator, make sure its USB key dongle has been inserted into a USB slot in your computer. Double-click the Variegator icon on your desktop to launch Variegator. And that's it. You've successfully installed Xitron Variegator. Please watch our next video if you're curious on how to do variable data using Variegator on the T3-OPX. If you have any questions, please contact tech support or visit us online at astronovaproductid.com.